Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Along America's vast coastlines, the Air and Marine Operations, or AMO, of the U.S. Customs and Border Protection stand as vigilant protectors. With a formidable array of 250 aircraft and 290 marine vessels, AMO patrols over 95,000 miles of U.S. coastline. These highly trained agents, many of whom are seasoned veterans, harness advanced aeronautical and maritime capabilities to intercept and deter illegal activities. In 2023 alone, their vigilance led to over 1,000 arrests and the seizure of vast quantities of narcotics. After the American Revolutionary War, the United States needed money. To raise funds, the government, under President George Washington, set up the U.S. Customs Service in 1789. This service collected taxes on imported goods, helping pay for important national projects and the country's expansion, like buying Louisiana and Alaska. Over the years, this service evolved to meet new challenges and eventually became what we know today as U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP. In 2003, it became part of the Department of Homeland Security, shifting its focus towards securing America's borders. This change marked a major shift from its original role in revenue collection to becoming a key player in national security and managing the country's borders. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection's efforts underscore a robust national defense strategy extending from land to sea. Let's narrow our focus to a particularly intense aspect of this protection: the fast-paced maritime operations.
You guys headed southbound right now?
These operations start with high-tech radar systems stationed along the coastline, designed to detect any unauthorized vessels trying to enter U.S. waters. Once a target is spotted, the operation kicks into high gear. Helicopters and speedboats are deployed swiftly, working in unison to intercept the threat. This rapid response isn't just a display of speed and agility. It highlights the advanced training and cutting-edge technology employed by the Air and Marine Operations AMO branch. Their high-tech assets, including sophisticated radar systems and specialized aircraft like the MQ-9 Predator B and the P-3 Orion, are crucial in these high-stakes scenarios. When people try to cross into the U.S. illegally via land, the response from U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, is swift and sophisticated. Here's how it typically happens. Surveillance technology, including drones and cameras, first spots the movement. These drones, like the MQ-9 Predator B, can fly for hours, providing real-time data to border agents. Once a group trying to cross is detected, helicopters are often deployed. They're fast and can reach remote areas quickly, which is crucial in the vast, often rugged border regions. The helicopter pilots and aerial crews are skilled in navigating these challenging environments and can quickly guide ground agents to the group's location.
This area and walk straight ahead. You walk into the Coliseum, which is here, but it's going to be further up. So
when the border agents on the ground catch up, they detain the individuals for further processing, which involves identity verification and necessary legal actions. This high-tech and rapid response approach is a critical part of the efforts to secure the border and manage who comes into the country, aiming to keep both the migrants and the country safe. At the heart of U.S. border security, the training of Border Patrol agents is incredibly rigorous. Their preparation is vital, facing not just the physical demands of patrolling vast landscapes, but also the complexities of modern law enforcement challenges. This dedication is mirrored in the high-tech tools they use, which transform traditional Border Patrol strategies. For instance, sophisticated monitoring systems allow agents to oversee remote areas more effectively, enhancing their capability to secure the country's borders. This blend of advanced technology and strategic operations not only highlights the tactical improvements in maintaining national safety, but also illuminates the continuous efforts to safeguard the country against illegal activities. When building barriers and fences at ports of entry, the military utilizes a variety of heavy machinery and construction equipment. This includes using bulldozers, cranes, and other earth-moving and construction vehicles capable of handling the demanding tasks of moving large amounts of earth and lifting heavy materials like steel beams and concrete blocks.
This is the freaking right here. I'm holding it for you.
The Department of Defense, in collaboration with the Department of Homeland Security, has historically provided this type of support under policies that allow military assistance in civil engineering projects that enhance national security. The construction efforts are not just about physical barriers, but are integrated into a larger system of border management that includes technological advancements and strategic infrastructure improvements at land ports of entry. The CBP Office of Field Operations, OFO, plays a critical role in managing the heavy influx of passenger cars and trucks at ports of entry across the United States. This agency, responsible for customs operations at numerous ports, ensures the efficient and secure processing of millions of vehicles annually. In fiscal year 2020, for example, the Laredo Field Office alone processed a staggering volume of traffic, including 3.5 million commercial trucks and 15.1 million privately owned vehicles. This was achieved despite the significant challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, which had a noticeable impact on passenger traffic but less on commercial volumes, which remained steady. OFO's operations are comprehensive, involving not only the inspection of vehicles, but also agricultural and trade compliance, targeting and analysis, and the deployment of canine teams for security tasks. The integration of modern technology, like the use of radio frequency identification RFID at major entry points, enhances the speed and security of these processes. This technology enables quicker processing of vehicles at border crossings and is part of broader efforts to manage and secure America's borders effectively. One of the technological marvels at the core of maritime security operations, our focus shifts to a specialized asset that significantly amplifies the effectiveness of border surveillance, the Airborne Early Warning and Long-Range Tracker Maritime Patrol Aircraft. Among these, the P-3 Orion stands out. Equipped with cutting-edge radar systems such as the Raytheon AN/APS-115 Maritime Surveillance Radar and the AN/APS-137D Victor 5 Inverse Synthetic Aperture Search Radar. These tools extend the radar range far beyond the capabilities of ground-based systems, allowing for unparalleled surveillance coverage. With a service ceiling of 28,300 feet and a maximum speed of 411 knots, the P-3 Orion embodies the pinnacle of aerial surveillance technology. Measuring 117 feet in length, with a wingspan of 100 feet and a height of 34 feet, this aircraft is a formidable presence in the sky. CBP's P-3 Orion operations are a critical component of national security, providing an eagle-eyed view over vast maritime areas, ensuring that even the most elusive attempts at illegal entry are detected and intercepted. The P-3 aircraft's takeoff signifies the beginning of a mission that combines high technology with high stakes, embodying CBP's commitment to safeguarding the nation's borders from all dimensions.
Gear up.
Sexton, this is Troy 207. We have spotted the vessel.
The mission of U.S. Customs and Border Protection is far more complex than a simple line on a map. It is a continuous, multi-domain operation that spans land, sea, and air. Combining history, technology, and human expertise into a single shield protecting the nation. From high-endurance surveillance aircraft and fast-moving marine interceptors to ground agents, engineers, and officers at ports of entry, every element works together to detect, deter, and respond to evolving threats. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.